equation in form of what? Indices, or equation that you apply indices in what? Solving. Now, how do you go about that? You have to simplify it by making the base of both sides to be equal. Now, how do you make that to be equal? You can look at it. 8 can be simplified in form of 2 raised to power something. 32 also can be simplified in form of 2 raised to power something. So 8 here now will now be 2 raised to power 3, and 3 will now multiply the x, which happens to be the power before. Then 32 it can also be written as 2 raised to power of 5. Now that 2 is equals to 2, automatically the power, which is 3x, also will be equals to 5. So therefore we can take away this 2 and say we have 3x equals to 5. Then you cannot divide both sides by what? 3. And then our x will now be equals to 3 in 5 is 1 whole number, 2 over 3. I repeat it again. Simplify this initial equation by making the base to be equal. How do you make the base to be equal? 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3, and 32 can be written as 2 raised to power 5. And you write that once the base is equal, you can divide the base, then the power will be equated, which is 3x equals to 5. Then you divide the 3x and 5 by 3, so as to eliminate the coefficient of x. Then you now get our answer to be x equals to 1 whole number 2 over 3. Thank you. Now another question that is also an Indicia equation is x raised to power half equals to 2. X raised to power half is also square root of half, and in solving this you have to balance up the both sides of the equation, which is the left hand side and the right hand side of the equation. That is, you have to multiply both sides by 2 in order to eliminate the half here. If you multiply this by 2, you know you have 1. Then if you now multiply this one also by 2, then this one will retain the 2. So therefore you now said, just as if you are saying taking square of both sides, then you now have x equals to 2 raised to power 2. Then 2 raised to power 2 will now give us x equals to 4. This is as simple as this. Let me repeat it again. We are given x raised to power half equals to 2. Then you take square of both sides. Using 2 to multiply this give us 1. And using 2 to multiply this give us 2 raised to power 2, which is also equals to 4. That is how to solve this kind of Indicia equation. You can also try this at home and give me feedback on whatsoever you get. Give me feedback. You can see this example is for the first. This question is a replica of the first one I saw, and the second one is also replica of this. So try it. Let me see what you get. And if you have not followed me, follow to have more questions of this type. Now to have a more problem of this type being solved. Thank you.